First chapter, Introduction of Corporate Finance. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with option. First is related to money and money management. Finance. Second, finance is the management of monetary affairs of the company. Third, corporation finance deals with the acquisition and use of capital by business corporation. Fourth, company has to pay taxes to government. Fifth, fixed capital refers to any kind of fixed asset. Sixth, working capital refers to the excess of current assets over current liabilities. Manufacturing industry have to invest huge amount of funds to acquire fund assets. 8. When the population is increases at high rate, certain manufacturers find this as opportunity to expand business. 9. The sum of all current assets is gross working capital. 10th, capital structure means mix up of various sources of funds in desired proportion. B. Match the pair. A. Capital budgeting. 6 answer. Investment decision. B. Fixed capital. 5th answer. Fixed assets. C. Working capital. First, sum of current assets. D. Capital structure. Answer 9. Mix up of various sources of funds. E. Corporate finance. Answer 2. Deals with acquisition and use of capital. C. One word or a term. First, a key determinant of success of any business function. Answer finance. Second, the decision of finance manager which ensures that firm is well capitalized. Financing decision. Third, the decision of finance manager to deploy the funds in systematic manner. Answer is investment decision. Fourth, capital needed to acquire fixed assets which are used for longer period. Fixed capital. Fifth, the sum of current assets. Answer is working capital. Sixth question, the excess of current assets over current liability. Answer is working capital. 7. The process of converting raw material into finished goods. 7 answer. Production cycle. 8. The boom and recession cycle in economy. Business cycle. 9. The ratio of different sources of funds in the total capital. Answer is capital structure. 10. The internal sources of financing. Answer is retained earning. D. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, finance is related to money and money management. True. Second, business fund gives green signal to the project only when it is profitable. True. Third, corporate finance brings coordination between various business activities. True. Fourth, fixed capital is also referred as circulating capital. False. Fifth, working capital stays in the business almost permanently. False. Sixth, the business will require huge funds if assets are acquired on lease basis. False. 7. The business dealing in luxurious products will require huge amount of working capital. True. 8. A firm with large scale operation will require more working capital. True. 9. Liberal credit policy creates a problem of bad debt. True. 10. Financial institutions and banks cater to the working capital requirement of business. True. E. Find the odd one. First, land and building, plant and machinery, cash. Answer is cash. Second, debenture capital, equity share capital, preference share capital. Answer is debenture capital. Third, fixed capital, capital structure, working capital. Answer capital structure. F. Complete the sentences. First, initial planning of capital requirement is made by finance manager. Second, when there is boom in economy, sales will increase. Third, the process of converting raw material into finished goods is called production. Fourth, during recession period, sales will decrease. G. Select the correct option from the brackets. A. Financing decision. Financing decision answer to have right amount of capital. B. Fixed capital. Longer period of time. C. Investment decision. Deploy funds in systematic manner. D. Working capital. Circulating capital. E. Combination of various sources of funds or security mix. Answer is capital structure. H. Answer in one sentence. First, define corporate finance. Corporate finance deals primarily with the acquisition and use of capital by business corporation. What is fixed capital? Fixed capital is any kind of physical assets like building, plant machinery, etc. Third, define working capital. Working capital refers to a firm's investment in current assets such as cash, account receivable, and inventories. Fourth, what is production cycle? The process of converting raw material into finished goods is called production cycle. Fifth, define capital structure. Capital structure refers to the proportion of different sources of funds raised by a firm for long-term finance. I. Correct the underlined words and rewrite the following sentences. First, finance is needed to pay dividend to debenture holders. Interest. Second, when there is recession in economy, sales will increase. In a place of recession, boom. Third, share is an acknowledgement of loan raised by company. In a place of shares, debentures is an acknowledgement of loan raised by company. Fourth, equity shares carry dividend at fixed rate. In a place of equity, preference shares. So preference shares carry dividend at fixed rates. Thanks for watching video.